seriously smoked that drill bit too. Oh boy. Up where I'm at, they're pretty picky about how much tire you have poking out from your fender. So today the plan is to put fender flares on this thing. The problem I have is with all this chrome trim, which not only do I already hate and plan on doing something about, but with these tires, I am having a little bit of rubbing on this little mud kicker flap here, but it is pop riveted in place. So I need to drill out these rivets, rip these flaps off, and then my clearance issue will be gone. So once this front mud guard is gone, I can go ahead and take off the wheel well trim, which is going to be easy enough. It's just a couple of screws. Can't really see them in there, but a couple of screws. But I need to get these panels, whatever you want to call them, kicker panel, I don't know what you call them, but they're actually kind of tucked underneath the flare. Or this little cap. So I need to rip this guy off, rip these guys all the way down. And then we get to the problem area. This box is going to get replaced. I plan on throwing a flat deck on it. Or if I can get one made or find one, I would love to put a logger's box on there. But this chrome trim is just barely being held on there. It's basically right where the mud flap is. And then on the other side, it's got a little bit on this side, but only to about here, really. So, I mean, it's got a little bit. So I think this guy I'm going to have to leave on. I'm going to drill holes in it, and that's what I'm going to mount the fender flare to. And it should hide at least a good majority of that rust. While I'm at it, though, because I'm not a fan of chrome, I am also going to get rid of the ram badging there, as well as the ones on the tailgate. This side backed into something at some point. I don't know who. I don't know if it was my grandpa or his brother, but chrome trim's kind of peeled up there and dented and all warped out of shape along this side. But this side of the box is actually in pretty good shape. There's not a whole lot of rust to it. But on this side as well, got to take the mud flaps off, get all these guys off, take all this off. And then once all that's done, basically the only chrome that I'm going to have left on this thing is going to be the grill, which should be pretty easy to pop off, sand down, and just paint it. Not going to bother replacing it just for budget's sake, but it's kind of popping up there a little bit, bubbling, but it's still in good shape. No cracks or anything like that. But I'm going to take a heat gun and start working at this here. See if I can get some of this trim off. Although, maybe I should start drilling those holes first. Yeah, I'll start with that. Get those holes drilled, get these mud flaps off. So with the wheel turned, I should have enough room in here to get to these guys. Well, that bit didn't last long, did it? Oh, this bit sucks. Oh, that's still on there pretty good. Damn it. Let's try getting a little bit in there. I seriously smoked that drill bit too. Oh boy. I don't know about this. Well, let's try this. Hammer and chisel. Ooh boy. My fenders are rusty. They're a lot more so than I thought. Oh, there's one. Shoot. right, these fenders are in worse shape than I expected. Dang it. Jeez. Surprised I don't have drill bits here. Out of all the things I've got, I mean, that's for wood, but it might work. I'll try and pry this first. One down, one to go. So this is the more rust I was talking about. I didn't expect, I felt bubbling there, but I didn't expect that to fall right out. Luckily, flare should cover that. Well, I'm out of drill bits. I'm going to save my last one for drilling into that wheel well trim. So I am down to hammer and chisel. Hopefully this fender doesn't fall apart like the last one did. I'm seeing a little bit of rust right above you, but it doesn't look as bad. Jeez. Bigger hammer, maybe? If all else fails, bigger hammer. I don't want to use metal, because if I hit myself, this is going to suck. Rubber will suck enough, but... Two down. That only took way too long. No idea how well you can see there, if at all. Probably should have left the middle one to hang it. And then... Alright, now that that's off, we can inspect. It actually doesn't look too bad around here until you get to the corner. Same as the other side. But this should come off pretty... Oh no. Oh. Well, I've never used a heat gun before, so we'll try low setting first. Oh, that works quick.